Students, in this video I am going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 6.2 for class 9. Just read the question. In the given figure, that means a figure is given, just see here. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflect back along CD. Prove that AB parallel to CD. It means this is the I have draw here. A mirror is there. The name is PQ. Another mirror is there, and the name is RS. A incident ray. That means a ray strike at B, and then it reflect toward here, and the name of this point is C, and it again reflect in this way, and this is name is D. So you have to prove that the line AB, this line is parallel to CD. It means this line. These two lines have to parallel, you have to prove. Now, to prove it, we have to draw the construction. That is, we have to draw two perpendicular line. Just see here. One line is drawn from B to perpendicular. The name will be BM. And another perpendicular line I have to draw from C, and the name of it will be CN. Just look at here, BM, this is the line perpendicular I construct, and another line that is CN, that is perpendicular line. Now listen, another picture, that is if the line PQ and RS, these two lines are parallel. If I draw the perpendicular line, two perpendicular line, if it is the name is BM and its name is CN, suppose, so this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, so this angle will be 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. It means the angle this one and this one is 90 degree, both are 90 degree, that means every angles are 90 degree. So the line BM will be parallel to CN. Clear? Just I will write it. Let us draw BM perpendicular to PQ. Look at here. Another perpendicular line CN to perpendicular to RS. So since PQ parallel to RS, I have seen here. Okay. So the line BM parallel to CN. That means this line will be parallel to this one. Just see, I show you again. This line will be parallel to this line. Okay. Now come to the next point. Just see the picture. Thus BM and CN are two parallel lines. Now in this case, this line is, and this line is parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, then BC is the transversal. So accordingly, this angle and this angle will be equal, because if these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal, then this angle will be equal to this angle, as these lines are called the alternate interior angle. So it is 2 and it is 3. Just I indicate this angle. So the angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Clear? Now, as it is the ray and it is reflection. So in the physics, by law of reflection means if it is a mirror, if it is a mirror and a ray is strike here, this is ray called incident ray, then it will be reflected here, and this line, this ray is called incident ray, and this ray is called reflected ray. Suppose the name is here BA, so AB is incident ray and BC is reflected ray. And if I draw a perpendicular line, that is M, it is called normal in physics. So the angle of incident ray is equal to angle of reflected ray. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. one is called the angle of incident ray and angle 2 is called the angle of reflection ray. So both are equal. It we got it from physics by law of, it is called the by law of reflection. So these two angles will be equal and these two angles will be equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because this is the incident ray, this is angle of incident, and this is the angle of reflection. So both the angle will be equal. So angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to 4. Now look at here, as angle 2 is equal to angle 3, it means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 2 is equal to angle 3, so it will be equal to 3. And as angle 3 is equal to angle 4, so we can say that all the angles are equal. It means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 2 is equal to angle 3 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So just added angle 1 plus these two angles I added. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 because all the values are equal. Just I given an example. If it means that if A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D, it means all values are equal. We can add anything. That means if I can write it A plus B is equal to C plus D, value will be no change. So just I written here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now see the picture, angle 1 plus angle 2, that means this angle, and angle 3 plus angle 4, it means angle this angle. If just see here, if AB a line, name is A and it is B, suppose this is B and look at here, it is C, it is D. 1 and 2, that means this angle, and 3 and 4, that means this angle. If this angle is equal to this angle, then the line AB will be parallel to CD because these are alternate interior angle. If alternate interior angles are equal, then the line will be parallel. Now see again, this angle is equal to this angle, this is the interior angle, so this line will be parallel to this line. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Thank you.